Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to subtotal in Excel formula. So let's start this my Excel. So simply select the cell, go to the formulas tab and click on the insert functions, and here insert functions dialog box is open. Search for the function, so just enter here the subtotal and click on the go, and here the subtotal function is searched. Then select the subtotal and click on OK, and here the function argument for subtotal dialog box is open. In function number, enter the number of function. So here I'm going to sum of this column. So sum function number is 9. So here enter just 9. Then click on this arrow and select the range of data here. Click on this arrow and select the range of data here. Then click on again arrow, and here you see the range is added. With this, you can check here data also added. Okay. After that, just click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the subtotal is, you can see subtotal formula is added. Okay. When I press F2, you can check here the formula. Okay. When I filter this data, suppose I select this cell and shift Control L to filter this data and select any item. So filter any item here. So I just filter here some item. You can see the total amount is changed accordingly filtered. Okay. So this is so helpful when you filter something, the total amount change accordingly filter your data. So only visible amount will calculate it here. Okay. The second thing here, if you hide something, suppose I'm going to hide some rows here, right click on the mouse and click on the hide. You can see the total amount is not changed. For that, so I use here the control Z to undo the actions. I remove this formula and again I select the cell, go to the formulas tab, click on the insert functions, and here just enter the subtotal and click on the go, select the subtotal and click on OK. Here the same function arguments dialog box is open. Now in function number, just enter 109 number. Okay. And click on this arrow and select the range of data. After that, again click on this arrow, the range is selected, data also you can check here. After that, just click on OK. Here you can see the total amount same calculated. Okay. Now in this function, when I hide something, suppose I'm going to hide here some rows, you can see 82996. When I hide some rows, the amount will change. You can see 43,927. Only visible values, some amount here showing. So this is a way the subtotal function you can use in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.